Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO UMX6S. So friend, the UMX6S series from JONSBO is a medium tower PC case with an aluminium-magnesium alloy external frame, and friend, in addition to the black and silver window versions with tempered glass panel, there is a silver solid panel model in the portfolio. And friend, a new PC case with a clean minimalistic appearance. The outside circumference is surrounded by an aluminium-magnesium alloy exterior frame that resembles a single plate, and mesh top panel allows for air passage. And friend, the power supply unit is located on the front side due to the layout. And friend, the cooling fan is made up of top 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2, bottom 120 mm into 2, and the rear 120 mm into 1, and with up to 6 units installed. And friend, a water cooling radiator has top mounting depth of 360 mm and rear mounting depth of 120 mm, and the dry bay arrangement includes 3.5-inch bay into 2 or 2.5-inch bay into 4 and 2.5-inch bay into 2, as well as 7 expansion slots. And friend, graphics card up to 330 mm, CPU coolers up to 169 mm, supported 169 mm height, and power supply modules up to 200 mm deep are all supported. And friend, E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX, Mini-ITX are supported form factors. And friend, front IO includes USB 3.0, USB 2.0, USB Type-C, and audio input or output. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.